I could honestly say these are definitely something else. JBL has always been reliable. They've been around for 78 years, and their primary focus was to always make good, quality speakers and headphones. If you're looking for a comfortable pair of earbuds that you can wear on a daily basis, that also has up to 32 hours of playtime and smart ambient sound, look no further. Let's get this box opened up. Right off the bat, you will get introduced to the JBL earbuds. It's going to come with different size ear tips, your quick start guide, and your USB to USB-C for charging. Taking a closer look at the earbuds, you got a matte black finish all around with a glossy JBL logo in the center. On the bottom, you can see it has a USB-C port for your charging. When you open it up, you can see that there are the earbuds, and on the top of the earbuds, there's a little LED light for when you start charging them, and you can see that there's a little LED light in front of the case as well. The JBL Beam has some great features like its 8mm drivers, Bluetooth 5.2, its IP54 water rating, smart ambient sound, and 32 hours of full playtime with the case. So I got the black ones, but you can personalize your earbuds by choosing between 5 different colors: beige, black, blue, mint, and white. I took the earbuds outside to give it a listen, and man, is the audio crispy. If you're gonna listen to music that's vocal heavy or podcasts, this is gonna sound great, all while still maintaining that great bass that JBL provides. If you want the earbuds to have a little more bass or a little less treble, your sound experience gets a lot better with the JBL application. Here you have the choice to turn your ambient sound on or off, choose between custom EQs, and set your custom touch controls. You could also save your earbuds battery by hitting power saving, so that way, if the earbuds are on and music is not being played, it will turn off automatically. Now let's get to the mic test, or the phone call test. Let's see how well these sound when you're talking to somebody through a phone call. This is the mic test on the JBL Vibe Beam. This gives you an idea of what you're going to sound like on the phone using the earbuds. In my opinion, I think the microphone quality is pretty good. I played it back for myself and you can hear me pretty clearly without any interruptions. There's other earbud companies out there that have good quality audio but bad sounding microphones. But these JBLs have a good mix of both. Overall, JBL still hasn't disappointed. These are a nice, comfortable, and portable pair of headphones. The high notes and the deep bass sound great together. JBL was really able to put their high quality sound in these earbuds. And that's even without the application. With it, I love how you can customize your own EQs, whether you want more bass or more of the vocals. And with that, it'll give you a great sound experience, all in the pocket's reach. If you're interested to learn more about the JBL Vibe Beams, I'll leave all the links in the description below. I'm Justin, this is Gadget Getters. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more videos just like this, and I will catch you guys on the next one.